Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a rather interesting piece of industrial hardware, a generic industrial equipment board featuring PCI DMA, specifically models 01, 03450-00 and 07-03450-00, revision B0. Now, right off the bat, the term generic might raise some eyebrows. But in the world of industrial equipment, it often signifies a focus on functionality and cost-effectiveness over brand recognition. This board utilizes the PCI interface, a well-established standard for connecting peripherals to a computer's motherboard. The inclusion of DMA, or direct memory access, is crucial. DMA allows the board to transfer data directly to and from system memory without constant intervention from the CPU. This is incredibly important in industrial applications where real-time data acquisition and processing are paramount. Think of it as giving the board its own dedicated highway to the computer's memory, bypassing the usual traffic jams. The compatibility list is fairly broad, including desktop computers and servers. This suggests a versatile design intended for integration into various industrial setups. The listed operating systems, Windows Server and Linux distributions like CentOS and Ubuntu Server further reinforce this versatility. These are common choices in industrial environments due to their stability, reliability, and extensive software support. Now, because this is a generic board, documentation might be a bit sparse compared to branded alternatives. Sourcing drivers and technical specifications could require some digging. However, the widespread use of PCI and the common operating systems it supports mean that finding compatible drivers is generally achievable. The revision number B0 indicates that this is likely not the initial release, suggesting some level of refinement and bug fixing has occurred. The key question is, who is this board for? It's likely ideal for system integrators, hobbyists, or small businesses looking for a cost-effective solution for data acquisition, process control, or other industrial automation tasks. It probably won't be the first choice for large corporations with stringent requirements for brand name components and guaranteed support. The lack of specific information about the board's capabilities makes it difficult to provide a definitive verdict. Without knowing the number of channels, sampling rates, or specific input-output types, it's hard to assess its suitability for particular applications. However, the presence of PCI DMA, combined with its compatibility with common operating systems, suggests a solid foundation for a range of industrial tasks. Potential buyers should carefully consider their specific needs and research the board's capabilities thoroughly before purchasing. Look for data sheets, user manuals, or any available documentation online. Check online forums and communities for user experiences and potential driver issues. In conclusion, this generic industrial equipment board with PCI DMA offers a potentially cost-effective solution for industrial automation. Its compatibility with common operating systems and the inclusion of DMA functionality make it a viable option for those willing to do some research and potentially overcome the challenges associated with generic hardware. Just remember to do your homework and ensure it meets the specific requirements of your project.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.